Since leaving the boat last winter, we've done a lot. We were married in Mexico, honeymooned in Cuba, celebrated Christmas in the US, New Year's in Amsterdam, skied across Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, and visited friends and family in Australia. But with the winter coming down under and the Mediterranean warming up, it's time to travel from Australia back to our little boat Whisper on the island of Corfu, Greece. Checked into an Airbnb. We're going to spend the next few days here while we survey the boat and how it's survived the winter. Make sure that it's all good inside in terms of mould, in terms of water, and carry out a couple of upgrades. We need to upgrade the solar system, replace the stove, freshen up the anti-fouling. So we're giving ourselves 2 weeks to do that stuff because everything takes a little bit longer here without a car and with the way things tend to work here. But if we can get it done in one, that'll be even better. So first step, go check out this boat.
All right, let's go see the boat. Where's the boat? Literally, this is where we parked it and it's not here. Guess we'll have to take a wander around the boatyard to find the boat. Hi.
Hi, hi.
How are you?
All right, all right.
Good. Did Eddie find the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. This way. Yeah, good. Thank goodness. I was getting quite worried that it wasn't actually here. Huh. How's it look up there? All right, let's go up and see. So Eddie's over there taking the cover off. Oh. How is it down there?
It's good. Getting back on the boat for the first time after 8 months. Worried it was going to be full of water and mould and vermin, but it's dry and clean and
Full of diesel.
it smells a bit diesely, yeah. But on the whole, pretty happy. I think it won't take us too long to get it ready to launch.
Yay!
Stove fits. Doesn't look good immediately off the bat, does it? Disconnecting the wind turbine from the rest of the setup so we can get rid of it and make way for more solar. So I'm not convinced how much good the wind turbine's doing us in the Ionian. It's not very much wind. We're back on the boat today. We slept here last night after getting it sorted, making the bed, and we'll be here for the next week. The boat's still in the stand, still in the boatyard, but we're not going to be able to get components to upgrade the solar electrical system until early next week. It's Saturday now, so we'll spend today rigging and doing some more work to get us ready for launching at the end of next week. So as predicted, it's probably going to take us 2 weeks rather than just one to get back on the water. But still an easier process coming back to the boat and getting it ready rather than buying it and launching it and learning to sail like last year.
Putting the sail up now. Sails up. We just got a new stove, and this one features a grill in the bottom. So I'm gonna grill for the first time. Slide it in there.
Did you turn it on already?
Not yet. Oh, do I need to turn it on before I grill? No, you gotta put it in there first. Oh, how do
How are you
you?
going to light it with the bread in there?
No idea, huh?
I would put it in second.
How am I gonna light it, period? I gotta put my flamer in there? Oh no, this is not going well. Where do you think the gas comes out?
What do you mean where it comes out? Where all the little holes are? You can do it from the top down. There's a big hole in the middle, isn't there?
Oh, how do you do it? I'm just letting gas out and no flame.
Is it on right now?
No.
Okay, how are you letting gas out then?
When I touch it and
Do you know
click it in,
do you know you've got to push it and turn it at the same time to let the
Yes.
gas out? Okay.
I can smell the gas. I just can't figure out
You want me to have a crack?
how to light it. Is it on?
Were you doing this one?
No.
Okay. That's the one. It says grill on it.
No wonder.
You know what you're doing?
Not really. I'm trying to get the cords to the radar equipment out because we need the space for new solar. We have to remount this another way. But we might
Once you undo that, I'll be able to just pull them all out and they'll be totally free and we will have done it. That is a serious mess, huh?
serious mess. This man is not an electrician. Ah, free as an eagle to the sea. Let my spirit set me free.
Is that a real song?
Something like that. Close enough.
It's Sunday evening. We've finished a pretty big week putting work in on the boat. And we got a lot done, I thought.
Yeah, we got most things done except for the solar upgrade, which
Yeah.
we'll finish this week, hopefully.
While Kel's away. Kel's flying out tomorrow for work, so
And
Hopefully.
manning the ship and putting in the solar upgrade.
my aunt's coming to visit though.
That's true.
It'll be me and my aunt
Solar work.
and solar work. And then hopefully next week we'll be on the water.
Set sail, as they say.
Cool. Let's do it.